Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI 15T, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock this device without password. Okay, but before we begin, we need to discuss a few things. First thing is that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. Next thing is that we basically need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and factory reset causes this that all of our data will be permanently erased from our device. So if you don't have a backup, I'm sorry, but we need to do this to unlock this device. Another thing is that also after the reset, when everything goes fine, don't worry, I've been testing this method many times. Also on our channel there's a lot of videos when I'm unlocking many devices using this method. But in the setup process, which will appear after the factory reset, during that process, the phone will want you to type the password, or we cannot, basically type it because we cannot remember it. But our phone will want us to log into the Google account on which we were logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that we are actually the user of this device. So you need to remember, if you don't remember your Google account, you won't be able to go through the setup process, or if you don't know your password to your Google account and also your mail, you might have to perform a bypass of this Google verification. Also on our channel there are videos how to perform it, so if you want you can check it out. Okay, now I think that we can begin. First we need to power off our device. Let me also show that I also have my password set. I cannot remember it, so let's begin. First, power off your device, click power button and volume up at the same time, and now select power off and release your finger. Now let's wait a few seconds until the phone is completely turned off. And to enter the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. So keep holding power button and volume up button until you see the XIAOMI logo. When it appears, keep holding volume up, but release the finger from the power button, just like that. So first, keep holding both of the buttons. Now release the power button, but keep holding volume up. Alright, and now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we need to use the power buttons. So select wipe data. Now to confirm, select the power button. Select wipe all data. Click the power button. That's the last chance to stop. If you click on confirm, all of your data will be erased. So click on confirm. Click the power button. The process has now started. It's not going to take long, so don't worry. Alright, data wiped successfully. Click back to main menu. Now select reboot and reboot the system. And now we need to simply wait until our phone turns on, and now we need to go through the setup process. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.